Hi everyone, I'm here again to answer another question from a parent. Here is the word problem. Hattie and Ben received a total of $220. After Hattie spent 6/7 of his money and Ben spent 4/5 of his money, Ben had 3 times as much money as Hattie. How much money did Hattie have left? Let's begin. This problem talks about the money of Ben and Hattie before and after spending a fraction of their money. So we're going to use the before and after model. Let's start with the after model. It says in the problem that after Hattie spent 6/7 of his money and Ben spent 4/5 of his money, Ben had 3 times as much money as Hattie. So that means in the after model, we'll represent the money of Ben using 3 units and the money of Hattie using 1 unit. So if Hattie spent 6/7 of his money, that means that 1 unit of Hattie in the after model is actually the 1/7 of his money before. So that means we can represent the money of Hattie at first in the before model using 7 units. I also marked 1 unit orange so that you can see where the 1 unit that's remaining in the after model is in the before model. Now, since Ben spent 4/5 of his money, that means he has 1/5 of his money left. Looking at the after model, we represented Ben's remaining money using 3 units. That is actually a fifth of his money at first. So if a fifth, 1/5 of his money is 3 units, then the whole amount of his money at first, which is 5/5, would be equal to 15 units because 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Hattie and Ben received a total of $220. So we will label the whole thing covering the bars of Ben and Hattie in the before model $220. The question for this problem is how much money did Hattie have left? So that means we will mark the 1 unit representing the amount of money Hattie had left in the after model with a question mark. All right, now we're ready to compute. Let's start with what we know. We know that 22 units are equal to $220. So to get what 1 unit is equal to, we need to divide $220 by 22. And the answer is $10. Hattie had $10 left. Did you get the same answer? I hope that you learned something new today, and I hope that you can see the value of using bar models in helping children understand and visualize the word problems. So if you feel like your children needs help in solving word problems, in visualizing what they're all about, then this book is for you. The Singapore Math Bar Model Method book. The good thing about this book is that it has QR codes that will lead you to video tutorials of how to solve each problem that's included in the book using the bar model method. If you're interested, you can check the Central Books website, Shopee, and Lazada. For the ebook version, you can get that from the mindsetformath.com website. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.